Thank you for your time today. We'll be talking about Adya. At Adya, we help enterprises manage and protect their SaaS applications. We help you connect to your sources of data in the cloud, tell you what is sensitive, tell you what may be exposed and how you can protect it, look for an alert in case of threats, and allow you to do it all from a single console. The market is rapidly moving to the cloud. Enterprises are largely becoming cloud only. So, moving to the cloud for productivity and collaboration applications, help desk, etc. And that's not news to anyone. But even then, the pace of acceleration into the cloud is quite staggering. For example, most companies today look to either Google's G Suite or Microsoft's Office 365 for their first choice when it comes to collaboration and productivity applications. However, companies are surprised as they move to the cloud with a whole host of new security challenges that they have never seen before. As evidenced by some of the headlines from the recent past, uh, it's very easy for data to get exposed. Exposed calendars, federal companies that had federal government data, employee data sent out via Slack when it got integrated into Google Drive, etc. So these are all uh, a byproduct of the ease of use and the collaboration and the productivity of these cloud applications, which of course make it easy to work, easy to collaborate, but also makes it easy to sometimes carelessly, sometimes maliciously share data far and wide, putting your company at risk. Let's look at a few examples. It's very easy, for example, in Google Calendar to make the calendar public and have the whole world check it out. This happened in a couple of very famous instances at McKinsey, at Deloitte, where sensitive conversations were happening at a meeting that had its credentials shared on a public calendar. This one is very, very common. It's very easy on Google Drive, Box, Dropbox, etc. to take a link, create a link, share it with employees, with partners, with consultants, etc. And that's great for collaboration and for productivity, but it's not very good from an IT perspective because you don't know what has been exposed, who's been exposing it, and who's been accessing it. It's very easy for employees in your organization to install third-party applications that may ask for and get provision to very sensitive data. For example, applications could ask for access to Google Drive or Google Mail or Calendar, and your employees could quite unthinkingly just accept and move on, and IT is blind to this even happening. And as the number of SaaS applications increases, then this problem only gets worse. There is no one central console to view these all. There is no single policy that you can apply and push it across all of the apps. There is just no central visibility. So these kinds of activities, whether they are malicious or whether they're careless, are easy to get hidden. That's where we come in. We are a SaaS platform that helps companies detect where their data is in the cloud. We can tell you what is sensitive. We can tell you what is exposed and allow very easy controls on how you can protect yourself from overexposure and correct for it. You can set up policies around what is allowed, what is not allowed, and we can alert in case we notice any deviation from those policies, and allow you to do it all from a single console, so that we want to be that single platform that helps you manage and secure your SaaS applications. Here's what we do for G Suite. You can manage users. You can see what documents are exposed, which external users have internal access, which internal users are exposing documents outside, and watch all user activity. Similarly, on the document side, you can see which documents, which sensitive documents are exposed externally, and then you can very quickly make it private. You can set up policies so you can have a single click by which you can correct the permissions and access. Similarly, for third-party applications, you will get a single dashboard that shows you what applications are installed across your organization, how risky they may be. We use our own heuristics to determine whether it's a high risk or low risk application and allow you to very quickly remove dangerous apps. So managing users, docs, and apps is that first time cleanup where you can get a sense of what is wrong in terms of data exposure in my organization and correct it. What you want to do next is to set up policies on who's allowed and who's not allowed to access certain drives, folders, or who's allowed to install certain applications, so that when we watch for these policies and alert in case any of these policies are violated and remediate automatically. Let's quickly jump to the demo. I encourage you to go check out the demo. It's on the same YouTube channel. We go into good detail into what's in the product, and I will look for your feedback from that. Thank you so much for your time. To know more, please go to our website www.adya.io. It's a tool you can start using immediately for your organization.